Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on or turn off dark mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app and then scroll down until you are in the section called Themes. On here, all you need to do is choose between the Basic White for light mode or Basic Black for dark mode. It should change automatically after choosing one, and you can check it out. That's how to turn on or turn off dark mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.